Hey guys, I'm Henry. I decided to have a party and gather my friends. We have carrots and apples for you. Thank you so much. I have stones for you. Thank you. I have a fish for you. Thank you so much. I have a surprise bag for you. Thank you. I'm so glad you came. Do you guys like holidays and guests? Bye bye guys.